You're editing a video and there's a gap. One more shot of B-roll would make the sequence feel complete, but you just don't have the footage. Or maybe you've sketched a character and you can already see them moving in your mind, but you're not an animator. These are the moments when creative momentum hits a wall. Now, there's a way to keep going. With features like text-to-video and image-to-video in Adobe Firefly, you can generate motion from a single text prompt, whether you're starting from scratch or building on visuals you already have. In this lesson, I'll break down how each one works and when to use them. First, text-to-video. Need a shot that doesn't exist yet? Text-to-video lets you generate a brand new clip from a well-written prompt. Use it when you want to fill in B-roll gaps without reshoots, visualize a concept for a pitch or storyboard, or create animated sequences or motion graphics from scratch. You define the content, the style, the setting, even the camera movement. Want it to match your existing footage? Upload a reference video to guide the look and feel. Say you're working on a nature documentary and you just need one more B-roll shot. You could type, wide shot, slowly zooming in on a realistic elk drinking from a stream at golden hour. Or maybe you're developing a new pet food campaign and want something visual to share the pitch with your team. For example, front shot of lavender cat walking underwater with coral made of colorful cakes and cotton candy. In this case, think of text-to-video as your previs tool, a way to test tone, explore pacing, or communicate a vibe before production begins. Now you also have image-to-video. Already have an image to start from? Image-to-video lets you animate a still using a text prompt. Use it to animate illustrations, add motion to static shots, and keep videos consistent with existing campaigns or brand materials. Just upload your keyframe and then describe what happens next. Whether you're a solo creator, a marketer on a deadline, or a creative pro juggling a dozen deliverables, text-to-video and image-to-video helps you keep your momentum going so that you can keep creating. They both also support one of the most valuable creative skills, problem solving. When you hit a wall like missing footage, limited animation resources, or a tight turnaround, Firefly gives you a way forward. You're thinking resourcefully, adapting quickly, and finding new ways to bring your ideas to life. And because Adobe Firefly Generative AI is trained on licensed content like Adobe stock and public domain material, the content it generates is commercially safe, ready for client work, campaigns, and branded content alike. Give both features a try.